Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the daily tasks in Plants vs. Brainrots. So make sure you have access to the central island. As you can see, there is a daily reward section here. So I will need Bendy to Bobrito, Alicio, Gangster, Fedora, and Bombardiro. I do not know, okay? I'm old and I do not know these. Anyways, but I'm just going to type in the one that they need. I have this, so that's great. I'm just going to go here, place Brainrot, and then for this one, place Brainrot, and then here, I think I have, okay, I have a lot, and then Bombardiro, and I have now the shiny base card pack. That's the grand prize. And it's going to reset in 5 hours. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!